In this video, we're going to take a look at NIO and the stock chart pattern that's playing out on it and see if our stock price projection is still valid. So let's take a look at that. What's up everyone, I'm Brad. Welcome to the Money Dad channel. In this video, we're taking a look at NIO and a stock chart pattern that is playing out on that chart. But in general, we like to talk about stocks and stock market and stock chart patterns on this channel. So if any of that interests you, please consider hitting that subscribe button and join the channel because we're growing this thing and we got a lot more videos put out, a lot more stocks to talk about, a lot more stock chart patterns to talk about, a lot more money to be made. So let's take a look at this NIO stock chart pattern. Okay, so I got NIO pulled up in TradingView. You can see we have a bull pennant traced out in TradingView, and I just want to take a look and see if there's any new information here. So I made this projection a couple weeks ago, actually now, and it was before we had any of these squigglies inside of this bull pennant, and I'm pretty sure I just laid out this bull pennant and said, hey, this might happen, is total guess, and that was pretty much unfounded. I mean, there was no reason for a bull pennant to play out other than we had seen a lot of bull pennants occur on NIO's stock chart leading up to this, right? We had a bull pennant here, and then one here, and then this little guy right here that kind of looked like maybe it was a bull pennant, and then a little guy right here that kind of looked like it was almost a bull pennant, and then we had this huge run up. And I made a video, I think we were like up here, and I was saying, or maybe it was this first touchdown down here, and I think I said, you know, look, I would not be surprised if another bull pennant played out on NIO stock chart because we've seen so many of them happen this year on NIO stock chart. Well, right, it kind of looks like another bull pennant is playing out, right? I'm not saying that it's definitely going to play out. It could definitely not play out, but it looks like so far this random line that I placed here, I mean, it acted as resistance pretty darn well these last couple of days. We just bounced right off and we headed right back up into this pennant flag area. So, I mean, if this is a totally random line right here. There is no resistance, there's no data supporting this line right here, so I wouldn't be surprised if this line has to get moved. You know, if we end up, you know, moving it up here or down some more or something. No idea if that is going to play out or not, but it does look like, hey, we have two touchdowns now, so we have somewhat of a legit support area. So let's go with the bull pennant idea until it doesn't work, right? We're gonna run with what's been working until it doesn't work. Okay, so I have our flagpole here. We copied it, we put it right here. This is just assuming we break out from the bull pennant in this range. And let's see, we have our price target set at $72.87. So I don't see why you know, that's not valid. I see us kind of consolidating for a little while now. You know, if this bull pennant plays out, that means we're going to keep consolidating in price, which means we're just going to kind of run sideways. We're not going to make a lot of money. We're not going to lose a lot of money. We're just going to kind of chop sideways all the way through the end of January, maybe the beginning of February, and then that's when we could see that breakout. That doesn't mean that this is definitely going to happen. This is a total shot in the dark. I made this bull pennant purely based off of the fact that we've had a lot of bull pennants on this chart in the past. No idea if it's going to happen again, but I would not be surprised if it happened again. So if it does, like I said, we're going to chop sideways for another month or two, and then we're going to see that move to the upside, okay? And the upside projection, if a bull pennant like this plays out, it's based on this flagpole right here, the size of this flagpole. We just copy that and start it right at the bottom of our new bull run, and we get a price projection of $72.87. Now, we're sitting at $45 right now. That's a lot of money, right? We're talking about almost $30 of upside on a $45 stock. So what is that, like 60% upside on your money? That is a lot of profit to be had. And we don't have to risk our money right now. We can wait for this thing to play out. We can wait another month or two for this thing to play out. So there's no risk right now in just sitting back and watching this bull pennant unfold. And once we break above the resistance of the top of that bull pennant, that's when we get in. That's when we start our bull trend up. That's where we make our money. So no risk right now in just watching this thing play out, sit on the sidelines, just wait, and once we break above that resistance, then we'll get in, then we'll be trying to make some money there. Okay, so a lot of upside to be had potentially if this bull pennant plays out and if we get a breakout to the upside. So 60% or so profit on our money there. Okay, that is the update for NIO. If you guys enjoyed this, go ahead and hit that like button. If you're not a subscriber yet, please subscribe to the channel. That will help me out tremendously. Leave a comment down below. I'll see you there and in the next video. Thanks, guys.